Hello there, it's been a while. So let me show you the current state of affairs. Uh, yes, this is the main workspace between on my environment, which I have four. Yeah, I have some published reports, app registrations. Yeah, I don't need this. Anyway, and then this is the Power BI third-party embedded, which originally it was from the GitHub source. It was a .8, but then I migrated to a .10 on my Ubuntu, on my, if you can see here, on my Raspberry Pi. My Raspberry Pi is running Raspberry Pi 5, 16 gigabytes of memory, and it is running Ubuntu server to publish and to host the .NET third-party embedded application. Amongst Postgre, everything inside containers, and dbt is also running inside. Is it container, right? No, I don't think so. dbt is not inside a container. Yeah, but anyway, these are using proper Microsoft authentication. As you can see, it will pop up which I don't want to at this time. This one is open, so anyone can access it. So as many we will see as many reports as you can see on the workspace, which is quite interesting. Let me show. Let's access the tablet. This is a very nice feature. Let's say you have to show, let's refresh this page. You have to show a report on a tablet. So it would remain. Now let's see, tablet. Yeah. Let's open a tablet report, and here we can open the stock 2025 report. Look, it has a very nice design and size, specifically for tablets. And imagine walking around with a fairly portable tablet and accessing your reports. Of course, you would have to design it to fit better on a tablet. Anyway, now let's go to this is being extracted daily via my main pipeline, extracting via Wi-Finance about, let's see here, if I'm not, we have actually 14,000 tickers every day, so throughout the world. And stocks, we can see also this Bollinger Bands. This is nice. This is very nice. This is published Oh yes, this is also published on the same app as the third-party embedded uh, Power BI third-party embedded. So on the same app, we have the embedding and this MVC application. Stocks. This is the Magnificent 7. Here we have the indexes. Yeah, nice, nice, very nice. And here, yeah, crypto. And then, yes, Forex. This is very nice. I'm very proud. This is very, very interesting. What else? Observe. Oh yes. In the beginning of May 2026, Microsoft made available running DAX directly from or against the semantic models via tenant ID, app ID, and app password. So yeah, it is running. It takes, I suppose you have to use this strategy carefully because you will consume Power BI Premium or Fabric resources. Data science is nice as well, around the world. What do we have here? Stocks, crypto. Oh yes, nice. Observatory, Pollution Brands, Magnificent. Oh yes. If we click on overlap, nice. Oh yeah, the pipeline, everything is in here. So first we have the cron type every day running, starting at 1 a.m. It fetches everything in a container, yeah, and then stores everything in Postgre. So before I used to calculate everything in Python. Then I moved to Postgre. But then I've implemented DBT. So where can I? Let me show the DBT strategy. Oh yes, this is the Raspberry Pis. Nice. One is running everything. Another is running the virtual machine that we will. Oh yes, I have a Raspberry Pi 5, 16 gigabytes of RAM, running a Windows virtual machine. The DBT strategy is, where is it? Yes, this one. The models. Yes, nice. Beautiful. This is very, very nice. So the question is, why moving the calculations from Python to DBT? If you have lots of projects, it is interesting to organize everything into just one place. So instead of using or calculating everything in Python, I decided to implement via DBT. So yeah, and this strategy is using incremental strategy. Every day it processes only the new rows, because we have 14,000 every day, so it's quite a lot. Okay, this is the main Docker with all my Yes, this is the .NET app. So, oh yes, this is being accessed inside a Raspberry Pi virtual machine. Which is this one. So if I access BitTop, you will see Q. Yes, this one is running, consuming 40 gigabytes of memory. So I decided this is solely for running the virtual machine. I'm using nothing else. At first I was using the main Raspberry Pi, currently running Postgre and the containers. I was trying to run the virtual machine over that machine, but sometimes when the CPU and memory, sometimes it was getting just too much usage, so I migrated to yes, one important detail: all the Raspberry Pis are not using the SD card anymore. It would most likely not run quite fast as it is. So all the Raspberry Pis are now running via SD card. Oh, no, via M.2 disks. This is a M.2 and that's SD. Yeah, that's right. That's why it can handle faster I/O. So what else? And of course, the virtual machine is also hosting the on-premise data gateway. So every time I need to refresh, I can, yeah, great. I can use the data gateway. So that I forgot to show one detail, as I'm not, and the refresh of the semantic models are being handled by the cron tab. Yeah, I'm not using semantic model scheduling from Power BI service anymore. Everything is being pulled by my Python script. Let me see. If I show the file, will something be compromised? I don't think so. I think I can show the file. Oh, or rather I can just show the yes. I think I can show just the last run. So tail F tail is, sorry, what's the name of the file? Oh yes, this one. Okay. Minus, yeah. Oh yes, this is the dbt output. And oh, here. After the dbt finishes, it triggers the Power BI refresh, and you can see here it's very nice. Can I show the... I'd better not, right? Let me see, main Docker, stocks. I think I can. Everything. I think everything is being read by the .env file. So yeah, I can. Nothing. Yes, this is the extraction part, the DBT part. And here, oh yes, here we have the refresh. This is just a tenant, no, workspace or something like that. And this triggers the refresh. I guess this is my current environment. What else? Let me see. Yeah. Okay. Finance, PostgreSQL, DBT. This inserts in PostgreSQL, then we run DBT. Great. Power BI. Oh yes, this is, I currently don't have this machine because I'm thinking of upgrading to another one. But yeah, this is the entire pipeline. The extraction part is more something like 5 hours. Yeah. And this is my site. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye.